Hey everybody, here we are on another mobile job. This time we're working on a Volvo. We're going to replace this heater hose here. This one blew off the clamp. So what we're getting ready to do is pop this clamp loose. This twists and unlocks, and that one there twists and unlocks. So you can see the twist lock there. So you twist those, they pop right off, and then you can replace the hose. Now this is a 2008 S40. Very simple to get to, and it shouldn't take all that long. So what we're going to start with is try to get this propped up here where I can see. Now this might be a little bit difficult, so what we're going to have to do is use the pliers to turn it one